Okay guys, so let's do another video on our next choice that we can make. And so I'm going to go right here to wevideo.com. I'll be completely honest, I have not messed around with this one. So as I go through it, I will be learning with you. So let's just hope for the best. So this is where it should take you first off. And so I'm just going to go ahead and, just like you guys, you make an account with your Google Classroom, with your Google email. And so here we go. So just click continue, I guess. And welcome to wevideo. You're all set. Explore your brand new account and create your first video. Okay, so let's start creating. And it says, welcome. Help us create a better experience for you by providing some information about yourself. Alright, I'm here for school. And please help us. Are you an educator or a student? Well, I'm an educator, but you guys make sure you click student. K through 12. Next. Oh geez, they probably won't ask you all this, but this is science. It's middle school. I don't know what else they want from me. Oh, what is your role? I'm a classroom teacher. Submit. Alright, so you guys probably won't have to answer all those questions, so just let's go through this. Alright, so here we go. There's templates, it looks like. There's a dashboard, there's some what's media? Okay, we could just add some media, some exports. We've never exported because we haven't made one. So, alright, let's create a new one. Let's look at some of these templates. We've got vertical demonstration, how to. Wow, there's a lot going on here. Just so you guys know, I know many of you know this already, I'm not very tech savvy. So if you are tech savvy, that's awesome. So here's a how to. Oh, this is what the template looks like. This is very cool. Oh look, she's making cupcakes. Oh my gosh, you guys, we should totally do a how-to video on something that has to do with science. I don't know what. This is kind of cool though. Wow. So let's just mess around with this so that we can just learn how to use it, you know? That'd be awesome because that's important. So let's start with the first slide. And it says titles. Okay, so we can't actually work on that. So titles, let's see. Make this down. No, it's not really what I want. Oh, okay, so there's two different things going on here. And so with this, it looks like you have the actual video, right? And then up here you have your titles. I'm trying to move this way. And what's going to go on top of the video. That's very interesting. Okay. I don't know. What happens if I do that? I don't know. Again, we're learning right now. So let's see, main video, and then audio. So, okay, so we're split into three things you can see right here. So we have the titles, we have the video, and then we have the audio. So that's how you change all those different things. Now let's see, show levels, mute, track. So let's go to template media. Here we go. So my media, we didn't put anything because we're using a template. Template media, here it is. So let's see this one. Alright, that's cool. This is a live title. This is a roller. This is a motion, another roller. So these are kind of cool. And then we have our media, which is the sound. So how do we add? So let's see, let's look at our text. Motion titles are a great way to make your video stand out. No, we don't, but we could try them out. Let's see. Motion. Say it with shapes. That's kind of cool. Primary text. So my question is, if you choose these, how do you change what it says, right? That's what we want to learn here. So let's see, audio, there's different sounds that you can add. So let's go back here. So let's say I want this. Oh look, you just slide it right in here. Insert and push. And let's edit. Oh! Did you guys see what I just did? Let me go back. How do I go back? Oh, cancel. So I grabbed this and I slid it down here. And then there's a pencil right here. And I just click the pencil. And then I can change its colors. Make it red and actually let's do my favorite colors. Let's do purple and green. Alright, that's cool. And then let's see, put COVID-19. And oops. Start. Question mark. And this one, I can just put this is how. Alright. I'm just going to leave this is so I can change all the different fonts. I'm just clicking random things just so we can see. But save changes. I'm going to drag this blue part back to the beginning. I'm going to see what it looks like. I'm going to hit play. That was kind of cool, right? I mean, it has nothing to do with this, but alright, so I'm going to pause it. So that's how I can use my template. So I just, again, I pick whichever one I want, and then I drag it to where I want it to go. And insert and push. So this is it now. So let's see what this looks like now that I've inserted that. So I don't know if you guys noticed the difference in the two that I just picked, but with this one, it completely covered over the picture, right? So you can't see the picture anymore. But when I picked this one, I put it right here, and it just goes over the picture. So be aware of that when you're picking them. Whatever video you made or whatever video you put in, be aware of pushing that in there. And so this would be kind of cool to use because, let's see my media. Oh wait, let's just go back. Let's go back to my dashboard. No, I just wanted to save the changes. And so let's see. Maybe I want to start a video. And this is where it can come in. You can decide how you want it to look. So horizontal, vertical, square. So let's choose vertical. Start editing. So here in my media, I can pick a video. So say you guys decide that you want to make this video on your own, and maybe you want to have your family help you, and you can go around and show, you know, when it says, how did it start? Maybe you can draw, you know, have someone act like a bat and show them as a bat. And then what are the 4 questions? Let's see. Let's look at the 4 questions real quick. How did COVID pass to humans? And how did it spread? Let's say you want to focus on the how did, I mean, you have to answer all of them, but let's just focus on the how it spread just for right now for the sake of this video thing. And so you already showed, you know, maybe you show someone in the kitchen, you know, so I said maybe you show someone acting like a bat, and then maybe the second question you answer by showing your mom or dad cutting up some meat, you know, because remember it was we talked about how it came from Wuhan, China, and it possibly was a butcher who, after cutting up a bat, touched his face or something. So you could do that, and then maybe in the next part said, how did it spread? Maybe you can show your siblings coughing on each other, or you know, someone not washing their hands after touching something gross. And so you record this video, and then you can use your phone, or if you guys have a recording, and then just you can upload it onto your computer, onto your Chromebook, and then you would go to browse and select, and see these are all my different things here. But you would just find wherever your video is, open it. I don't have a video, so I can't open it. It'll come here, and then you'll upload it onto here. Then it will show right here where it says video 1. It'll show right here. And then you can add some audio, right? So if you choose a video, you'll want to make sure that it's muted. There's a way to do that on here. I don't have a video, so I can't show you guys everything. But you can add your audio, right, by going here and putting that over. There's a bunch of different ones. Oh, that one's kind of cool. Alright, so there's some pretty cool audios in there that you guys can use. And then over the top, you just, remember like we showed earlier, you just slide this, right? So I'm clicking it and I'm holding it and then I'm sliding it down. And then you guys can edit it by, how did we edit it? Do you guys remember? We clicked on it and we clicked the pencil. And we just came over here and we edit. And then you can type in your question or what's happening, explain what's going on. It's a video, so you don't have to use a ton of words. Then I'm just going to hit cancel. So that's kind of how you use this. It looks overwhelming at first, guys, but play around with it and then you'll be good to go. And if you go to exports, discharge, I don't need to, it'll show here. And then you guys will be able to share with me the video by, I think you have to email it to me. Let me see. Where'd it go? Here it is. Oh, so it'll be a link or a download. And so you can show me either one. So I know that this, like I said, I was going over this with you guys. Maybe you like these templates. Maybe there's something that you like. You can even record, maybe something that you guys can think about is, you can record and you click webcam. I'm not going to do it right now, but if you decided to do that, maybe you're an artist and you drew a picture for each question, kind of like comic strips, and maybe you just record on the webcam, hold up the picture, and slowly go through them, and then you can add audio or you can add some text to it. That's an idea. Again, when I got on here, I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is overwhelming. But as you can see, as I slowly went through it, each time, it got a little easier, right? I just started clicking around, I started realizing what things, you just kind of have to mess around. Again, you guys, you have a week to do this, so be creative. Take time to learn something new. This is something kind of cool that maybe we can use once we're in the classroom. So there's option number 2, and I will make the next video for the next option.